welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain about the JavaScript programming language. JavaScript programming language is really useful and popular programming language. It can be used for creating dynamic interactive website, and then it can be also used for creating the application creating for the Android game. So let's get started. So the first one is how to write real code. Console.log, and then parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have to write the words that we want to write, surrounded by quotation. So for hello world. So that's it. So this is how it works. So congratulations, you first write your first code of JavaScript. Okay, so for the second session, I will bring you to the comment. The comment is really important. As you know, we can use the comments for the note down the important things, and then we can write the summaries to hand over how we write this code to the other developer. So there are two types of comment. The first one is inline comment, also known as single line, single comment. So to write that // this is inline comment. That's it. So console.log left to code. That's it. And then now I will write to multi-line comment. So for the multi-line comment, it will write like this. This is multi-line comment. Okay, so that's it. So hello world, left to go, like that. So hope you guys enjoy my video. Happy coding. See you on next video.